For so long, I tried to be what everyone wanted me to be. I compared, I doubted, I shrunk myself just to fit in. But one day, I looked in the mirror and realized I've always been enough. I just needed to see it.
Woke up, hair's a mess, heart a little heavy. Scrolling through a world that says I'm not ready. They paint perfection, but it's just pretend. Why should I change just to fit in? Every scar, every flaw tells a story they never saw. They don't know battles I fight, guts to shine in my own light. Who said I need fixing to be fine? Who said the rules define my life? I see the truth when I look in my eyes. I'm enough, no need to disguise. So let them talk, I'll just rise. Cause the mirror don't lie.
I choose to be real.
I choose to shine. I choose to be free. I choose to love myself.
Try to shrink to make them stay, but I lost myself along the way. Now I walk in shoes that I choose. Not afraid of what I might lose. Every fall taught me grace. Every no brought me to this place. They don't see fire ahead, but it's burning brighter every night. Who said I need fixing to be fine? Who said the rules define my life? I see the truth when I look in my eyes. I'm enough, no need to disguise. So let them talk, I'll just rise. Cause the mirror don't lie. And maybe I cried in rooms no one knew. Screamed in silence where smiles like glue. Backstage my soul is hard with threats and all that never into yes again. And now I stand in my own name. No more shame, just flame. Let them try to bring me down, but I was lost and now I'm found. Who said I need fixing to be fine? Who said the rules define my life? I see the truth when I look in my eyes. I'm enough, no need to disguise. So let them talk, I'll just rise. Cause the mirror don't lie. No, the mirror don't lie. I know who I am, and that's my superpower. Every second, every hour, the mirror don't lie.